Continuing with the specimen of final account of partnership, this is the fourth format, partners capital account. If the business is maintaining the accounts via fixed capital account method, then you have already heard me in the chapter number 1 that in fixed capital account method there are two accounts to be prepared. One is fixed capital account and the other is current account. So I'll be explaining you both over here. Okay. On debit side and credit side, basically partners capital account has credit balance. So first of all, we'll see on the credit side. See over here it is written by balance brought down. It will be already given in the sum itself. Trial balance इसमें already देखे ही रखा हुआ होगा. Just you got to transfer. If the particular partners is bringing any amount as a capital, then will be recorded in as additional capital on credit side. If the partner is withdrawing the amount of capital from the business, withdrawing, not drawings, this is other type of drawings. If the partner is withdrawing the amount of capital, suppose I have brought 10 lakh rupees, additional I have brought 5 lakh, so my capital is 15 lakh. Now I want to withdraw the capital. Okay, I want to keep it as 12 lakh, so I'll withdraw 3 lakh. If I am withdrawing the amount of capital, it will be recorded on the debit side of partner's capital account, and then we got to close it. Okay. Coming to partner's current account. Okay. So on credit side, basically this account has both the balances available. Capital account has basically 99% only credit balance, but current account can have debit balance also, credit balance also. So we'll discussing first of all the debit side. So if the partner is having the debit balance, it will be recorded on the debit side. Then if it is drawings, interest on drawings, so whatever the expenses with the partners incurring for the business, it will be recorded on the debit side. If he's having the balance on debit side, he got to pay the interest. Okay, he will have to incur the divisible loss will be transferred over debit side. On credit side, if he is having the credit balance on credit side, then capital interest he will be getting income on credit side. Interest credit balance of current account income on credit side. Salary, bonus, commission, emission, if any, is getting on the credit side. Divisible profit, again an income on credit side. This account has to be individually closed out. Okay, so first of all, A we will close, then we will close. The balance can be of any side, or debit side or credit side, any side can be. Okay, whatever the balance carried down comes in, if it is comes on the debit side, it will be recorded as a liabilities. If it is coming on the credit side, it will be recorded on the asset side of balance sheet.